Hey guys, welcome back. So before I get into the hair length update, I just want to, update you guys or kind of show you what my hair has gone through this year. My hair at the beginning of the year, it was pretty long, and then right before I cut it in April, I believe, it was as long as, I had layers that were as long as 13.5 inches at the top of my head. So there was really nothing wrong with my hair. There were just some split ends, and every single time I would do my hair, I don't know, I just felt like it didn't turn out right. The shape was off, it was too flat at the top, and it was just too much length at the front. I got my hair cut, I think the first week of April. So it wasn't like too much cut off, but it was a lot cut off at the top of my hair, which was the longest. The back and the sides, it was about 2 inches cut off. But for the most part, that cut was just to give my hair some shape again and to give me some volume at the top again. I have a whole video on, the haircut and what went on behind the scenes in that video, so I will link it in the DB below. But that's what happened. Throughout this whole journey, I was thinking ahead towards the future. I've been using the Hair Stimulator products consistently all year. I haven't been using them like every single time I wash my hair, but for the most part, I've been very consistent with these products. So I can definitely say these products do work. This video is in partnership with Hair Stimulator. This is my 4-month update from my last hair length check video. I decided to push it back 2 more additional months due to the fact that I did cut my hair in April. So the products I use for the majority of the year have been the Hair Stimulator shampoo, conditioner, the Regenerex, and then of course the hair pills. If you guys are interested in these products, they were generous enough to share with you guys a 10% off code off their whole site. So there it is, it's thanks 10, and yeah, let's get into the video.
So now that I've updated you on, what's been going on this year, some of you guys may have already known that if you watch like every single one of my videos, but there's some people that they just don't know. I have this tape measure right here, and so what I'm gonna try to do is measure the same spots that I measured in my other length check video. Taking this right here. All right, so y'all see where it stops? Right over 8.5. So this back portion of my hair is 8.5 inches. Now, not every single strand is 8.5 inches, obviously, because the back grows the slowest. My hair is cut in layers. Y'all already know this. I don't know why I'm explaining myself. I'm trying to get it so that y'all can see where I'm stopping. Y'all see that? So where I pinched it, it stopped at around 8.25. So let's just go with 8 inches. So 8 to 8.5 inches, y'all. That's the back. Front of my hair, it's kind of tricky because the way I got it cut. So I'm gonna do this strand that y'all see right here. This, I know it's pretty short. I'm pinching the ends. Y'all see where it stopped? Oh shit. I did that backwards, but it's, let me do that again so y'all can see. It's at 9.5, but I'm gonna measure it again so y'all can see. Y'all see where it stops? Wow, it actually stopped at 10. Did I do something wrong? It stopped at 10. Let's go at around 9.5 to 10. So let's take another piece that I know is probably a little bit longer. So this also stopped at 10. So basically the front of my hair is around 9.5 to 10. In that other video where I was doing a length check, I had said how the crown of my hair was the longest, but when I went to the salon to get my hair cut, Morel had said a lot of the flatness was coming due to the top of my hair, the crown area of my head being the longest, and it was 13 inches, right? And she said because of my hair type and how much it clumps at the top, that's what caused it to become so heavy. She did cut the most off the top. All right. Y'all see that? Stopped at around 9.5. Let's take one further up. So this one right here. And this, whew, that strand was 11 inches, y'all. So that's that, y'all. I can confidently say that the products from Hair Stimulator work. For those that are interested in Hair Stimulator, I will, as usual, I'll leave all the information in the DB below. I will also put a discount code right here on the screen for you all, and I'll leave any other information in the DB. Yeah, I just want to thank you guys so much for watching. Like this video, comment down below if you have any questions. If you've tried Hair Stimulator, I know a couple of my subscribers have tried it. They legitimately said that it works. I've received some DMs on Instagram, so this isn't make-believe, y'all. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see y'all on my next video.